Good morning, everyone. And today's grammar part is quite different from those of the previous ones. And here we'll discuss few of the uses, the fair and proper uses of different grammatical terms. So here you go. Go through this video, and always I recommend that watch the video in full screen for better understanding and proper view. Here you go. It's really interesting. First one. Look, comma, it blank. Is raining, rains, has rain, or only rain? And the answer is raining. Next one, number 2. She does me last week. Phones, has phoned, and had phoned. I am going to provide you with the answers, but it does not mean you will go through the answers only. You try by your own first. While you read the answer, you talk to yourself, you speak to yourself, and write it down. And the answer is phoned me last week. Since the time is mentioned last week, so it is the event of the past, so phoned. Question number 3. The plumber dash 2 hour has been working since, has been working for, is working for, had been working since. And the answer is has been working for 2 hours. Is a specific time is mentioned, just like 3 p.m., 2 p.m., or yesterday's one particular date is mentioned, then it would be since. And the work is still going on, that is why has been. The question is does understand. Do he, does he, has he, is he? And the answer is does he understand. Question number 5. Did she see you? No, she has not. Did not do, did not do, and didn't. And the answer is she didn't. This is a question tag. The last part is going to be tag. Since the first part starts with did, last part will surely be did not. Now question number 6. When you dash Henry, tell him the truth. Met, meet, will meet, would meet. The answer is meet. When you meet Henry, tell him the truth. 7. We will dash help you. Can to be able to, be able. And the answer is C. Be able to. We will be able to help you. Next one. They dash ask me. They would, should have to, should have, or should. And the answer is they should have asked me. We want dash at once. That she leaves, leave, her to leave, she leaves. And the answer is C. We want her to leave at once. The next one, the 10th one. Today we'll practice exactly 13 number. So in 3 days we'll have this practice of total 90 or 100 pieces. Where does you have to choose any of this. Does he live? He does live. Lives he? That he lives. And the answer is does he live? Question number 11. There are dash people here. Least and least, lesser and lesser, fewer and fewer, little and little. And the answer is fewer and fewer people here. Since it is countable, so it should be few. I dash money left. Have not any. Have not got no. Have got any. Have any. I dash money left. And the correct option is option A. I have not got any money left. Next one, that is 13. They did not know that he was complaining about. That, what, why, whether. And the answer is what. Next, 14. He may dash ill to be that he is being be. The answer is he may be ill. So we have completed 14 and here is the 15th one. My parents has given just me the book, have just given me the book, have given me the book, had given the book to me just, have given to just me the book. So answer is B, have just given me the book. You should try your own knowledge along with this one, since immediately the answers are provided, so it is easy for you to evaluate which one you are able to do and which one you are unable to do. So by doing so you can mark yourself and you can understand the errors, adds and odds or whatever we have, and which one you are committing error you can ask me anytime that sir why is it correct or why is it wrong. 16. Why did your son ask dash so many questions? Peter, at Peter, from Peter, to Peter. The answer is only Peter. Ask Peter so many questions. 17. Dash, he exclaimed. What, your friend is funny. How funny your friend is. How your friend is funny. Such funny your friend is. And correct answer is B. How funny your friend is. 18. She is dash I am. More young than, younger that, younger as, younger than. And the answer is the D. Younger than. First one is wrong because more young is wrong. Second one, after younger we cannot use that, and young as, it should have another as before young, and the last one is pretty correct. 19. Whose car is it? It is to our friends, of our friends including apostrophe, to our friends, and the answer is C, our friends. You had better stayed, stay, to stay, staying. Answer is stay. You had better stay. We have studied this one. You, after that had, that means subject, then had plus better, then B1. 21. It is no use dash trying, of trying, try, to try. The answer is trying. 22. Since I first dash him, I have never noticed anything rude in his behavior. A meet, B have met, C met, D am meeting. And the answer is met. Now let us move to 23. The concert was wonderful. I wish you to have come, had come, came, to come. Answer is had come. Since wish is there, we have to use had. 24. I would like John dash me, help me, to help, should help. And the answer is to help. Now here one thing we can do, we can pause a bit every time and write our own answer, then check the correct answer out. 25. He told me not dash it, do it, to do, doing, did. And correct answer is to do it. 26. They are dash noisy boys. So noisy, such noisy, so much noisy, what noisy. And the answer is such noisy boys. 27. The spending is estimated dash $2 million, $2 million at to by about. Add to by about. Answer is at. 28. Dash you call this machine which, how. dash you call this machine, which, how, what, which name. The answer is, what do you call this machine? 29. Dash of them had any money? Some, any, none, all. And answer is none of them. The last one for today's class, that is 30th. I later dash what she likes. To do, doing, done. And the answer is do. I later do what she likes. So in the next one, we'll have the remaining part. Thank you.